Story is Another Sneeze, Louise, written by Cheryl A. Potts and illustrated by Gloria Gideon. Louise likes to play outside. Achoo! Louise sneezed. She likes to pick wild flowers. Achoo! Another sneeze, Louise. She likes to climb trees. Achoo! Another sneeze, Louise. She likes to pet the kitten. Achoo! Another sneeze, Louise. She likes to blow the dandelions. Achoo! Another sneeze, Louise. She likes to roll in the grass. Achoo! Another sneeze, Louise. Achoo! 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 Oh, please help Louise with her allergies. The end.